Are you tired of not being able to see what's under your shelves? Cause I sure as heck know I am. I can't see anything. That looks horrible. You can't see anything. What? Why would you ever like this? We gotta fix it. Abacababa damn. Light. Holy crap, it worked. Look at all that. That looks way better. Want to figure out how to do that? Watch the rest of this video.
Dreams in his hands, building his name in the maker's lands. Printers hum and the filaments flow, turning raw ideas into a brilliant glow.
Alright, so excuse the mess, but here's the parts. So, for me, I did 16-inch on center, like normal studs are, for my supports under my shelf. So, each of these pieces right here, these are 4 inches long, so American units. And these pieces are perfect to fit over any 2x with those 4s on for a 16-inch on center. And of course, it's modular, so, you know, whatever. Alright, but for a 4-foot one, you're gonna need 9 of these and 2 of these, if you're not putting one over your end. And you also need 10 of these. Orca Slicer will automatically print them like this. You can print them however you want. This is just how Orca Slicer likes to do it. And this is the way that I did it. So, you know, you do it as you want. This one needed supports for the orientation, so let's remove them. To assemble them, the pegs go in these holes and you just keep connecting them. For my end, I do not need an extra piece because under my shelf, I have these and I kind of just don't care about this end. But if you care about that end, then, you know, I will have one for that extra bit that it doesn't cover. We'll start off with this section, then add the next section, and add the next section. That's the easiest way I've found. Alright, hopefully that camera angle's good. But I'm gonna lift mine up, put them right in here. I'm gonna eyeball my levelness. You guys can do as you like. The first screw, not caring about where it is, just all the way up against the board. Alright, now it's installed. We gotta put the lights on. I'm gonna use this light because I have it, because I bought it for this specific purpose. I will link them in the description. They're pretty darn cheap. Alright, so I hit the cable pretty well, but let's click this button. Holy cow, is that a lot brighter. Now I can actually see what I'm doing, even if the light's off. See what I'm talking about? Look at that. That looks really good. If you want to print one for yourself, there'll be a design in the description. And if you can't print it yourself but want it, contact me and I'll make it for you. I charge great rates, so if you need it, I can make it. Until we meet again, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all the good things, and have a great day. Print all the cool things.